Hi, everybody. My name is Max, and I've been a Tesla investor since 2016. Like many of you, maybe I kind of discovered this company through YouTube, through social media. I knew that the company was around. I knew about the original Tesla Roadster, but it's when I saw lots of videos from channels like Tesla Time News, and people were just raving about the products that I started believing that Tesla is really building amazing products, and maybe they can actually bring electric cars to the masses, and maybe the Tesla master plan to build cars that are increasingly more affordable and in increasingly larger volumes can actually succeed. And for about 3 years, the stock's been kind of trading sideways, going up, going down, not really doing very much. But recently, it shot right past $1,500 a share, and that's attracted a lot of attention. The reason why the stock is going so high seems to be that Tesla is on the verge of S&P 500 inclusion, and that's a really important moment because it means that Tesla's thesis is finally being validated. People believe that the company can be sustainably profitable, that it can grow their profits over time. And I think that kind of signals, a real shift in perception. What I noticed recently is that it's part of a broader pattern. It's not just Tesla that's surging. It's other electric car companies like NIO recently went from $3 a share to $14 a share, and Nikola Motors, a company that, as far as we know, doesn't really have any real electric vehicles, IPO'd, and the stock shot right up. And I think, part of that is maybe kind of a FOMO. Like some investors out there see that Tesla shot right up, and they're thinking, oh, what's going to be the next Tesla? And I don't know if there's going to be a next Tesla. But the fact that people are asking the question, that they're looking to invest in other electric car companies, I think it says that there's a really big shift in mindset taking place. Like people are waking up to the fact that electric cars are going to be the future. And I'm hoping that people are going to wake up to the fact that it's not just electric cars, but also renewable energy. People don't really seem to take into account the fact that Tesla is not just an electric car company. They also sell solar panels, solar glass roofs, and also batteries, grid scale utility batteries, and the Tesla Powerwall. I think that as Tesla grows that part of the business more, people might wake up to the fact that it's not just electric cars that are coming, but also just green energy in general. And in a couple of years, we might actually see a huge boom. Of course, I'm saying this modulo coronavirus. It's possible that there could be other short, medium term market crashes, but hopefully in the next couple of years, people are going to be investing a lot more money in green energy stocks. I think it's actually possible that we're going to see more and more money flooding into these stocks, and that's important. It's not just about the stock value going up. When Tesla is at $1,500 a share, it's not just about investors getting richer. It means something. It means that people believe in the company, and it means that Tesla has much greater access to capital markets. It means that if Tesla wants to raise money at $1,500 a share, if Tesla wants to raise money and they have a $300 billion market cap, it becomes really easy for Tesla to do a 1% dilution, to issue more shares, and to raise several $billions at once. So this collective belief that people have in Tesla means that Tesla can easily raise money, and that means that they can easily build more gigafactories or terafactories, or move on to the next phase of the Tesla master plan. So Tesla is succeeding because people, investors collectively believe in them, and I think that's going to be true for other renewable stocks as well. If people believe that electric car companies can succeed, then they're going to invest in other electric car companies. If people start believing that solar and grid scale energy storage can succeed, then investors are going to start investing in those companies as well. It's going to be easier for those companies to raise money, and that could mean that in a couple of years, or actually, we're just starting now. We're in the middle of a shift, of a transition to renewable energy, and this transition is only going to accelerate because the more companies like Tesla and First Solar and Canadian Solar succeed, the more people are going to believe that those companies can succeed, and they'll invest an increasing amount of money in those companies as well. And yeah, there's another interesting piece of news on that front just recently. Dominion Energy sold some gas infrastructure and oil pipelines to Warren Buffett. I'm a little sad that Warren Buffett is buying those assets, but the most interesting part, I guess, is that a huge utility company like Dominion Energy wants to transition away from fossil fuels. They want to become more of a renewable, sustainable energy company, and again, it's a part of that broader shift that's just starting to happen right now, and that's gonna accelerate. So yeah, I think we live in exciting times. Yeah. So see you around.